A 100% VA disability rating is the highest level of support provided by the Department of Veterans Affairs. This rating is not easily achieved and is reserved for those who have endured the most severe service-connected disabilities. It represents a comprehensive acknowledgement of the profound impact these disabilities have on a veteran's life. It's not just a number. It's a testament to the sacrifices and the enduring spirit of our veterans. This rating is a formal recognition of the physical, emotional, and psychological toll that military service can take. It's recognition of the sacrifices you made for our country. The 100% rating is a way for the nation to say thank you for your unwavering dedication and service. It acknowledges the hardships faced and the resilience shown by veterans. This rating brings significant financial and healthcare benefits. These benefits are designed to provide a safety net for veterans, ensuring they have access to the resources they need to lead a stable and healthy life. You deserve these benefits. Achieving a 100% rating can be life-changing. It can alleviate financial burdens and open doors to opportunities that might have seemed out of reach. It means greater monthly compensation. This can provide financial security and peace of mind. With this support, veterans can focus on their recovery and well-being without the constant worry of financial instability. Additionally, it often grants access to comprehensive healthcare services. These services are crucial for managing ongoing health issues and ensuring that veterans receive the best possible care. This includes mental health treatment and specialized care. Mental health is a critical component of overall well-being, and access to these services can make a significant difference in a veteran's quality of life. Beyond the tangible benefits, a 100% rating acknowledges the full impact of your service-connected conditions. It validates the struggles and challenges faced by veterans on a daily basis. It recognizes the challenges you face daily. This recognition is not just about financial or medical support. It's about honoring the perseverance and strength of our veterans. This recognition is crucial. It ensures you receive the support you need to live a full and independent life. It empowers veterans to pursue their goals and dreams, knowing they have the backing of their nation. Remember, you earned these benefits through your service. Don't hesitate to pursue the support you deserve. The path to obtaining a 100% VA disability rating can be challenging, but it is a journey worth taking for the peace of mind and security it brings. Many veterans find themselves stuck at a 70% VA disability rating. This can be frustrating. You know your conditions are severe. You may struggle to maintain employment, yet reaching that 100% rating seems impossible. The 70% rating often represents a significant barrier. It's the point where the VA's rating system becomes more stringent. It's harder to prove the severity of your conditions. This is especially true when your conditions make it difficult to work. This is where TDIU comes in. TDIU stands for Total Disability Based on Individual Unemployability. It's a lifeline for veterans. It helps them achieve the 100% rating they deserve. Imagine being able to focus on your health and well-being. Imagine not having the constant stress of financial instability. TDIU can make this a reality. Let's explore how. TDIU is a crucial benefit offered by the VA. It recognizes that some veterans, despite not having a 100% rating from combined disabilities, are still unable to maintain substantially gainful employment due to their service-connected conditions. This means you may qualify for a 100% disability rating even if your combined rating is less than 100%. VA Form 21, 8940 is the key. This form is your direct line to applying for TDIU. It allows you to detail how your service-connected disabilities prevent you from working. Filling it out correctly is essential. Don't be intimidated by the form or the process. We'll break it down step by step in the next section. With the right information and preparation, you can submit a strong claim. To be eligible for TDIU, you must meet specific criteria set by the VA. First and foremost, you need to have at least one service-connected disability rated at 60% or higher. Alternatively, you can have a combined rating of 70% or more. But it's not just about the numbers. The core of TDIU lies in demonstrating that your service-connected disabilities prevent you from maintaining substantially gainful employment. This means you can't consistently work and earn a living comparable to someone without your disabilities. The VA considers various factors. These include the nature and severity of your disabilities, your education and work history, and medical evidence supporting your claim. It's crucial to provide comprehensive documentation that clearly illustrates how your conditions impact your ability to work. Section 5, Navigating VA Form 21-8940, a step-by-step guide. This form is crucial for veterans seeking total disability individual unemployability, or TDIU benefits. It might look overwhelming, but with our help, you'll be able to complete it with confidence. VA Form 21-8940 can seem daunting at first glance. The numerous sections and detailed information required can be intimidating. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it. By breaking it down step by step, you'll find it much more manageable. Start by downloading the form from the VA website. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection and a printer if you prefer a hard copy. Make sure to use the most recent version. The VA updates forms periodically, and using an outdated version could delay your claim. Section 1 focuses on your personal information. This includes your full name, social security number, and contact details. Fill out your full name, social security number, and contact details accurately. Double-check for any errors to avoid processing delays. Section 2 delves into your service history. This is where you provide detailed information about your military service. Provide your branch of service, dates of service, and any relevant details about your discharge. Include copies of your discharge papers if required. Section 3 is where you list your service-connected disabilities. This is a critical part of the form, so take your time. Include their rating percentages and the date each rating was established. Accurate information here is essential for your claim. Section 4 is the heart of your TDIU claim. This is where you explain how your disabilities impact your ability to work. Here, you'll describe how each service-connected disability affects your ability to work. Be thorough and honest in your descriptions. Be specific and provide real-life examples. Detail how your daily life and work capabilities are impacted. Finally, sign and date the form. This is a legal document, so your signature is crucial. Review everything carefully before submitting it to avoid any delays in processing your claim. Double-check for any errors or missing information. Once you're confident everything is correct, submit the form to the VA and keep a copy for your records. Section 6. Strengthening your claim, essential tips for TDIU success. Submitting VA Form 21-8940 is the first step. To increase your chances of approval, consider these essential tips. First, gather all relevant medical records. This includes doctor's reports, treatment plans, and hospitalizations related to your service-connected conditions. Second, request a statement in support of claim for individual unemployability from your doctor. This statement should clearly explain how your disabilities prevent you from working. Third, consider gathering buddy statements. These are statements from people who know you well. They can attest to the impact of your disabilities on your daily life and ability to work. Remember, your goal is to paint a clear picture for the VA. Show them how your service-connected conditions directly impact your ability to maintain gainful employment. Section 7. The waiting game. What to expect after submitting your claim. After submitting your TDIU claim, patience is key. The VA will review your application and supporting documents. This process can take time. You might be contacted for a compensation and pension or C&P exam. A C&P exam is a medical examination ordered by the VA. Its purpose is to verify and assess your disabilities. It's crucial to attend all scheduled C&P exams. During the exam, be honest and detailed with the examiner about how your conditions impact your ability to work. The VA will review the results of your C&P exam along with all the other evidence you submitted. They will then issue a decision on your TDIU claim. This decision can take several months or longer. Section 8. Don't give up. Options for denied TDIU claims. Receiving a denial for your TDIU claim can be disheartening. However, it's not the end of the road. There are several steps you can take to keep fighting for the benefits you deserve. You have several options to appeal the decision. One option is to file a supplemental claim. This involves submitting new and relevant evidence that wasn't included in your initial application. This new evidence could be crucial in strengthening your case. For instance, you might have new medical records, additional statements from your doctors, or even new witness testimonies that can support your claim. Gathering this new evidence can sometimes make all the difference. Another option is to request a higher-level review. This involves having your claim reviewed by a senior VA official. This can be helpful if you believe there were errors in the initial review process. A fresh set of eyes might catch mistakes or oversights that were previously missed. During a higher-level review, you can also request an informal conference with the reviewer. This allows you to discuss your case directly and provide additional context or clarification that might not be evident from the paperwork alone. If these options are unsuccessful, you can file an appeal to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. This is a more formal process and can take longer, but it provides another opportunity to present your case. The Board of Veterans' Appeals will conduct a thorough review of your case, and you may even have the opportunity to present your case in person or via video conference. Given the complexity of these processes, you may want to consider seeking legal assistance from an accredited Veterans Service Officer or attorney. They can provide valuable guidance and help ensure that your appeal is as strong as possible. Remember, persistence is key. Many veterans have successfully appealed their TDIU denials and gone on to receive the benefits they deserve. Don't give up. Stay informed, stay organized, and keep fighting for your rights. Your perseverance can make all the difference in achieving a favorable outcome. Section 9. Take charge of your future. Seek support and pursue your benefits. Navigating the VA disability system can be complex and overwhelming. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Numerous resources are available to assist you. Start by connecting with your local VA office or a veteran service organization. They can provide guidance and support throughout the application process. Consider seeking assistance from an accredited veteran service officer or attorney specializing in VA disability law. They can offer expert advice and help you build a strong case. Don't let the challenges of your service-connected conditions define your future. You served our country, and you deserve the support the VA provides. Take charge of your well-being and pursue the benefits you've earned.